So hi, Zach and Jesse. This is Chris Kinman. I'm doing a review for you on Electrify America. Their headquarters is located right around the corner from my office, so I thought I'd do a favor and do a video review. Looks like there are actually 28 stalls here of various types, 1772, CCS, and CHAdeMO. The charge that's listed here is $1.30 per session, plus it looks like about $1.80 per hour, and a 40-minute idle fee if you go past the grace period of 10 minutes. I did try to contact these folks to do an interview for you online, but they declined. Looks like a lot of their management team is from VW, BMW, and Audi, ex-employees. And they have about $2 billion to spend over 10 years across the United States. So it looks like they're up for the challenge. I did notice that this is only about a quarter of a mile from the DC Metro, which is a new installation of the metro station on the Silver Line, which should help them a lot. There's only one place to eat here, only during business hours. So I think they're going to have to step up the development game here in this area. Anyway, I don't think it's a bad place, but I just think that nobody really knows quite much about it or about Electrify America. So now you know.